What's the meaning of Chamber of Commerce? Chamber of Commerce. Chamber of Commerce.
Chamber of Commerce. Chamber of Commerce. A chamber of commerce is an organization made up of businesses and professionals in a particular city or region. Its main goal is to promote economic growth and improve the business climate in that area. Chambers of commerce provide a variety of services to their members, such as networking events, educational programs, and advocacy on behalf of local businesses. They also serve as a resource for information on the local business community and can help connect businesses with potential customers or partners. Overall, chambers of commerce play an important role in supporting and strengthening local economies.